Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz, and for today's videos I am going to be doing this eye look, and I am going to be using this pomade from ELF Cosmetics to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this palette from Morphe, and this one is the 15D. I'm going to put this beautiful color on the crease of my eyes. Next, I am going to be using this brown color, and I am going to put it on top of another color that I put first, and make sure to blend it in really nice. Next, I am going to be applying this concealer on the lid of my eye. Then I am going to be putting this blue color on top of the concealer, and this one is from Morphe 35B. From the same Morphe palette, I am going to be grabbing this dark blue color, and I am going to be putting it on the outer lid of my eye. I am gonna be doing my eyeliner, and this one has a little bit of sparkles. I don't know how to say it, but I hope you understand, and I don't know if I like that, but yeah, that's what I was using. Next, I am going to be applying my fake eyelashes, and these ones are a little bit dramatic. As you can see, I already did the rest of my face because I wanted to focus more on the eye look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this eye look is perfect for 4th of July. And see you next time. I hope you enjoy it.